My name is Muthoni wa Mukiri, and I'm a news anchor for Inooro TV. I've always wanted to be a news anchor, and I've always wanted to be a media personality, to work in the media. So even when I was growing up, I grew up in the village in Kiambu County. I used to really love the front row. I remember even during the family gatherings, I'd pray, I'd read a verse from the Bible, I'd lead in songs. So it really started from back then. Back in high school, I still used to do drama festivals and music festivals. So after high school, I started doing drama outside here. I started going for auditions. I started doing plays in the theater. And I also did a couple of programs. I was featured in Papa Shirandula, in Tabasamu. Then I started doing a couple of commercials. Nothing major, but just featured. And then after that, I ventured into voiceovers. And I did voiceovers in a vernacular radio station. And I think that's how I really polished my Kikuyu. Yes, but I've always wanted to be in the media, and this is actually a dream come true. Inooro TV is really a big thing. And the unique thing about it is that we're doing everything in vernacular. And the other channels that have come up and they've not really shown professionalism, that is what we're bringing on board. It's wrong. It's a wrong mentality to think because it's vernacular, it's supposed to be unprofessional or shady. But we're bringing professionalism, we're bringing international standards in Kikuyu. You should expect from me a different way of doing things, maybe from other anchors. We really want to be close to the people, and we really want to converse with the people. As much as maybe we're reading from the OutQ or from our papers, we really want to have the background of the stories to us. We will be reporting as well, meaning that we have the story straight from the village and from the ground. So as much as we have pretty faces, we have makeup, first of all, we've gone to the village down there, we've talked to the people, we really know what they want. So Inooro TV is driven by the people. We're bringing to people what they want, and we really want to go deep to areas that people haven't been to. And we feel that Kikuyu is a very diverse community, and it's very huge. And we're looking at venturing in every Kikuyu aspect. And there's so much that has been left that's untouched, and that's what we're trying to bring on board. I had never seen myself reading news in Kikuyu, because you know, when you're growing up and you're a young girl, and in most of my teen years I was in Nairobi, you try to wang and you try to have various English accents so that you think having an English accent will make you fit, but it doesn't really make you fit. So I never saw myself reading news in Kikuyu, but I think it's very good for me because I've always loved my Kikuyu. Everywhere on phone I'm in Kikuyu. I tweet in Kikuyu most of the time. So it's really good for me. I'm happy I'm a news anchor in Kikuyu. My one goal for Inooro TV is that we'll be the leading news team in the whole continent. I want people from Brazil, from wherever the continent, to watch Inooro and ask for translations. You know, I know maybe I'm looking at a situation where in maybe a year or 2 years in time, we'll have Inooro's website translated because people would want to see our stories, but of course, because they cannot understand Kikuyu, maybe they'll want it in French or in another. So I'm hoping and I'm working as a member of Inooro TV. We're working towards becoming the leading, especially news team in the world. And I know we will achieve that because we have a lot of support and we've really been equipped very well. So we don't have a choice. We have to deliver. Igenda kwira ando a mucie agikuyu nitucoke mucie gutire kundu kwegata mucie na Inooro ni kuo mucie ukai tukene twaranirie tumenye turenda atia menye uri urenda umenye uri ndirenda na tuthondeke kindu twi hamwe urumwe ni mwega muno na tagikuyu tutingithie na mbere tutari no urumwe so kai mucie twaranirie Inooro TV ni kuo mucie twina ifidi njega muno mohoro turi kurehagira na gikuyu uri urenda tukaraniria Facebook na gikuyu Twitter na gikuyu na ginya website tureranagiria na gikuyu Muthoni wa Mukiri na nini ndire murehagira mohoro ma Inooro TV.